Hello and welcome to Butler HQ, and today we are going to be removing the door trim on an E38. So as always, remove the lead to the battery because on these there's an airbag. So we'll get cracking. First of all, you need to remove the grommet which covers the screw. Now I always use a sharp knife because it doesn't damage the little grommet, and behind there there's a starred screwdriver, or Phillips if you're posh. Right, and then you then get your little flat screwdriver and relieve the switch from its holder. Second thought, I'll do that when the door trim's off. So the starred screwdriver is now removed, and we're going to turn that round. We're just going to put it sideways so when the door trim does come off, we can slide it through the aperture. Now with these, yeah, there's just a screw. The rest is just clips around the side. So we shall start on the corner, like so. And if we work all the way around, like so, oops, and you just lift up, and it'll come off its hinge there, there's a little hinge, like on the E34s, and we'll push that through there, and then it is just a matter then of unconnecting the little connectors on the back. So with the switches detached, yeah, and you've also got so with these you put your screwdriver down there, and then it pulls out and it releases your switch. With those, it's just that there, a swivel connector, like so. So quite ill blown, it's starting to rain. So with that, that's been a Butler HQ E38 tutorial, and yeah, I'm gonna go inside now. Bye bye.